Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. I'm out here getting up some of this firewood that old Carolina Hill Country had split for me back in the winter. A lot of it's rotten. Some of it's good. It was old dead standing poplar, so it wasn't the best firewood to start with, but y'all, it heated our house for the winter. And a lot of it's going to heat our house again this winter, this coming winter. But I'm walking real precariously because it is copperhead season, y'all. I know I talk about that a lot, but it is copperhead season around here and rattlesnake season for those juvenile snakes. So I don't want to get bit by one because they love these piles of firewood. But I'm getting this out of here, and then I'm going to do some work on the rest of some underbrush out here I need to remove out. Guys, thanks for hanging out with us at the Piney Woods Homestead. Hit that old like for us. Subscribe to the channel if you hadn't, and if you have, as always, we appreciate you. Let's get to taking out a little bit of underbrush. I'm going to show you real quick what I'm going to do first. Y'all, I have a large area out here. It's going to end up being probably 30 by 60, something like that. I need to clear out all this underbrush so I can start dropping these pines, sweet gums, and a few poplars and maples in here. I need to get them out so that I can get this area stumped and graded. It's going to take me a little while because I'm working with a tractor, and I may end up hiring some stump removal out, but either way, it's going to get done. Get a base layer of stone in here so I can build firewood bunks and things of that nature. Now you know why I'm clearing this area out, since I showed you the log splitter from All Wood Log Splitters up in Petersburg, Michigan. We need a wood yard, y'all. I need somewhere to stack dry lumber, or lumber so that it can dry, and I need somewhere to stack firewood while it's being split so it'll be curing, because y'all, this firewood that we're splitting now, we won't be able to use it until next winter. And so anything that we may even sell, we won't be able to do it until next winter, unless somebody wants to buy it green. But most of the time, folks want to go ahead and buy it pre-seasoned, so it's ready to burn in their cookers, in their wood stoves, their backyard patio burners, whatever they have. So I'm gonna hop on the tractor today, and we'll do a little bit of work clearing out some underbrush. I've also got to get set up for chicken processing tomorrow. We've got our flock of golden rangers. Not golden rangers, golden friars. We've got too many chickens around here. I can't keep up with the names. Golden friars, the ones we breed here. Got to process those in the morning and then get our red rangers or freedom rangers out on, actually we're going to do it a little different this year, so I'll show you that tomorrow, and get our other flock of golden friars out as well so they can start growing out. This will be the last two flocks of the season, y'all. After that, it gets too cold to raise chickens outside. All right, y'all, I'm gonna hop on the tractor. That's the best place. I'd rather be on a tractor. I'd rather be on a piece of equipment. I'd rather do that than eat when I'm hungry, y'all. And that's God's honest truth. Taking a quick break, I can see Samson down here. He is supervising the work today. He can see where I'm at from his lot down here, y'all. But look at him. His white nose is all brown because he loves to get into his two pools, and he just noses around the edge all day long, keeping it nice and clean. Very rarely does he get submerged and get all nasty. He's a prima donna. But anyways, take a little break here, drink some Gatorade, and hop back on tractor. Alright y'all, hopefully the camera does justice to what I've done out here. I've taken out every bit of underbrush that's around all of these trees that I need to take out. Like this pine right here. And this gives you an idea of the size of this tree. Y'all, this is going to be lumber, not only for our firewood bunks, but I'm going to put as much lumber up as I can so that we can get that little off-grid camp built this winter. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high. That's the plan. But y'all, can get in here now. That little Kubota L2501, it does the trick, y'all. Just take your time, go slow. I got it in 4-wheel drive. You noticed I knocked over one of these elms. Yeah, I believe that's what this is, elm. And really, that's just too much for it. Poplar, something like that, you can knock right over. A maple, got shallow roots, knock them right over. But those things are a little tougher. I just had one that was kind of in the way of everything else I needed to get done. But I just took my time with it. And y'all, it just shears off at the bottom. I'll have to dig that up later with a hoe, with backhoe, something like that. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for today here at the Piney Woods Homestead. Kind of in the shade. I don't know if you can see me or not, but you can hear me. Got to get ready for chicken processing tomorrow. Y'all, we process chickens here, golly, probably every 8 weeks, 12 weeks, whenever it's warm weather like this. We're growing out flock after flock after flock. And we process over at my parents too, so we're not just doing it here. But if you want to see a good processing video, in depth, all of the gore, check out Carolina Hill Country. They've got one out here recently. I'll try to think to put a link in the description, showing you close up and personal, you know, gutting those chickens, all that stuff. We don't share that here. But anyways, check them out if you want to see that good little tutorial of how they do it. And y'all, we have processed so many chickens here now that we can usually do about 30, 35 in 2 hours. It's not that hard for the two of us now. You just get better the more you do it. But y'all, it's not easy living this way. It is not easy. It takes work, it takes dedication, it takes sweat equity. And y'all, we don't mind it. We actually had somebody comment the other day on another video. They said, what about your labor? You know, the video was how we feed a family of 3 for $1 a day. And y'all, we do not factor in labor. This is a way of life for us. This is what we do. This gives us our exercise. This is our entertainment. This is our passion. This is what we enjoy. Living outside, raising those vegetables, growing out those hogs, growing out those chickens. That's what we enjoy to do. For some people, it's water skiing, bass fishing, you name it. For us, this is it. So guys, we appreciate y'all very much. Hit the like for us, subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have. I know I tell you all the time, but y'all, we do appreciate it very much. And I'll get things set up for tomorrow's chicken processing. Go get some ice here in a little while. And see what Lisa's up to. I think she's canning today. See if I can help her a little bit. And get this video put together for you guys. Guys, we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.